Welcome back to Coachtrimmers. Today you join me with this fabulous Ferrari 288 GTO, one of 272 examples built, and when it came to the interior there weren't a huge amount of options. They were traditionally either seen with full black leather or full black leather with red seat inserts. This car here today was originally specified, has been put back to black throughout. This car has received a comprehensive restoration by the experts at DK Engineering, who have entrusted us to take on the interior part of the restoration. If we jump inside the car, I can talk you through what we've been up to, highlight some of the special materials and details in a 288 GTO that differ from other Ferraris of the era. So you join me in the completed cabin. As you can see, it's a very driver-focused interior. DK Engineering is still restoring a few of the bits, so things like the radio panel and the gauges are just having their final touches done, and they'll be reinstalled when the car goes back to them to be completed. In here, you've got a beautiful mix of Connolly Romol leather with our own Daytona style seat strips in here. These are all remanufactured by us. You've also got the correct mix of carpets. There's two types of carpet in the 288 GTO. Slightly different on the rear bulkhead with the removable firewall that needs to come in and out for things like service work. And then on the floor, you've got the traditional high quality wall carpets. In here as well, you've got this unique fabric that's only found in the 288 GTO. Again, we've done a lot of work to source and be able to supply that fabric for anyone else restoring a 288 GTO. And other than that, there isn't a huge amount in here. It's all about the driving experience. So you kind of you've got the basics, but it's still a lovely cabin to be in. You've got these lovely leather seats, and yeah, ready for the owner to go out and enjoy the car. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, comment, or if you need any of the fabrics or materials that have been used in this car, everything from the rubber mat to the seat strips, the various vinyls, cloths and leathers are all available through us. So please get in touch. Look forward to bringing you another video soon.